You want to buy a home. You want to save the money, but no one ever taught you financial literacy. There's no one in your family who owns a home. You have no idea where to start. You're too scared to call a lender. Your credit is bad. That's not going to stop you from owning a home. Those are just small hurdles that you can definitely overcome. Let me show I'm going to help you get there with my set of occasion binders. So this is our new home binder, and it doesn't matter if you have new car, travel, pet, broke bestie, debt payoff, they all work the same, okay? So you want to open it up. This is how you receive it. You want to pull everything out. So your envelope should already be inside. You want to take your two covers. So these are really cutesy from our rebrand, but they also have a ton of good information inside. So the first one has a mortgage checklist. So you can check through all the items that you'll need before you apply with your lender. This next one has 10 key questions to ask when buying a home. This was so instrumental for me. And I took a lot of the things that I learned as a first-time homeowner with nobody else to ask, and I've included them in these products, okay? You want to go ahead, open up your binder, stick your front tracker in, go to the back, stick your back tracker in, and we're already halfway there. These are triple pocket envelopes, okay? They will be holding the included trackers that we have for you. So if you pull those out of your packaging, you can see that they all have these blank spaces up at the front, and you should have 12 of those. Well, we included a matching sticker set for each occasion binder, and you want to pull those stickers off and apply them here at the top, the same way I've done with these appliance ones. Appliance and down payment I already have ready to go. You just want to choose the one you need and stick them on top. You can use as many or as few as you'd like. Personal preference. And then once that's done, you want to go ahead and stick your trackers in the front pocket of these envelopes. And you want to keep doing that for as many as you need. Up to, I think you can do 10 because we gave you 5 envelopes. Keep in mind, these stickers are a lot easier to remove if you just use tweezers. They're like this frosted laminate, so if you need to move them, they'll move around, okay? And the very last thing that we've included here is our new home planner. So this is filled with so much meat and goodies. So many things to help you with your journey as a new home buyer and as you research new homes. So make sure that you check this out. Now, I know your question is gonna be, I got the binder, it's cute, I got everything set up. Now, how do I save? Say less. So we're gonna choose one of these that we already have ready. We're going to choose our appliances sinking fund. And let's calculate how we can figure out how to save for this one. We want to ask ourselves a few questions about our appliances fund. Okay, how much do we want to have saved for appliances before we move into our new home? So let's just say it's $5,000. Okay, then you want to ask yourself the time frame. When do I want to have this money saved by? It could be 12 months, 24 months, 5 years, just depends, it's personal preference. So let's say 24 months. That's 2 years time, okay? The next question is, am I gonna be able to put this money away every paycheck, every month, every quarter? And you wanna go ahead and write that down. I'm gonna do every paycheck, okay? The next question, your pay frequency. How often am I paid? Weekly, bi-weekly, off commission, when I do a haircut, when I braid my cousin's hair, when I babysit my sister's kids. Write that down. In this example, we're gonna say weekly. And now we wanna calculate how much we need to save every paycheck to be able to reach this goal. So we're gonna say $5,000, and we are going to divide it by, hear me out, there's 52 weeks in a year. So 52 times 2 years is 104. That's 104 weeks. So we're gonna take that $5,000 and divide it by 104 weeks, and that gives us $48 and about 8 cents. We're gonna round it up to 49. So that tells us that to reach our goal to save $5,000 in 2 months, we need to save at least $49 per week, which is per paycheck. Do the same for you. Switch the amounts and numbers around. You can calculate that for each fund inside of your occasion binder. Now, if you do so and you realize, I don't have enough money to do that in time to reach my goal, cool. It's not a fail. It's not a you can't do it. It's a let's get back and evaluate the budget. Is there some debt you could focus on paying off so that there's more money freed up? Is there another job opportunity, another income opportunity you can take to get extra money on the side just to put towards this goal? Could you DoorDash? Could you Instacart? Could you do hair? Could you copyright? Could you do something to bring in additional income so that you can use that income solely to fund your occasion? But until you really have your numbers on paper, even to the point where it feels unrealistic, you can't address the problem. you can't reach the goals. So getting all of this on paper and into your occasion binders is the first step, so that over the course of the next 6 to 12 months, if you're not in the space to do it right now, you will be, okay? Don't give up if it seems like, oh Lord, I can't do it. Reevaluate your goals and your wants. Maybe in this economy, you can't afford a $500,000 house. Maybe you need to look at a $300,000 house. But until you know your numbers, you'll have no idea. So that's everything for our occasion binders. And regardless of which one you have, you'll set them all up the same way. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us over at baddiesandbudgets.com. help@baddiesandbudgets.com is a great email to reach us at. We'd love to hear your feedback. If you get it and you enjoy it, please let us know. Leave comments, leave reviews. That's the only way we can continue to make things better and understand the things that are really helpful for you. Okay? Until next time, bye.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broken mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics to your life sound. Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, when I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go full with that. Jump on, my bad, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your